Yo! What's up? My name is Luatonton Gaming.
Happy New Year!
Woo! First time ko lang gawin yung intro. So anyway guys, hello! And we're back again at our vlog number 2 here at our YouTube channel. Featuring again the part 2 of Genfest 2018. Actually yan, grabe yung tinagal natin sa Genfest. Practically 6 months halos hindi tayo nag-upload.
What?
Ano bang nangyayari sa atin? Ano? So yun, dami kasing ginagawa ngayon sa school, dami rin ginagawa sa bahay, marami rin ginagawa all about studies kasi I'm going to be applying for something. Syempre for arts, for my dreams sana naman. Sana naman matupad yan.
I don't feel any pressure right now.
So yun, I'm hoping guys enjoy this one. So yun, ito yung vlog number 2, part 2 ng ating Genfest 2018. Transition, 3, 2, 1.
Day 2.
And we are at the second day of our we are at the second part of our 3-part Genfest. Actually second day ngayon ng Genfest natin. Galing tayo sa Bayad kanina. Anong oras tayo nakauwi? Mga 12 na tayo. Sakit ba ng ulo ko? Masyado pang haggard si kuya mo. Yes. So today we're gonna have the workshops, the forest, the Hands for Humanity, and masyado tayong haggard ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung gagawin natin. Pero I know that it's gonna be a workshop. Workshop tayo ngayon. Workshops and forest together with other nationalities. Pinili nating workshop is paano masupo ang terorismo sa mundo, like that. So yun, bababa na tayo.
Hours later.
Yun, we're finally right at the bus. Nasa bus na tayo ngayon.
2 beses na yan!
We're coming sa ating destination, which is Nasaan University. Ang tagal natin doon, 1 hour, almost 2 hours tayo na nandun sa nakalinya para sa bus na to. And yun, nakasakay na rin kami, yung grupo namin nila Antoinette. Medyo okay lang kasi nasa backseat tayo. Alis nasa backseat. Kasi masyado pang hostile dito kasi ang dami pang nakapila, ang dami pang nag-aantay sa mga buses punta sa kanilang mga workshops, and we're lucky na nakasakay agad tayo. So punta na tayo. Sa front main hall, nasa labas tayo ng kasal. Nakatapos lang namin ng aming workshop and we're gonna go with Hands for Humanity. Pero pinipili pa namin kung pupunta ba tayo sa Hands for Humanity, kuya?
Hindi ko alam. Pag-isipan mo na lang.
Pag-isipan daw natin. Naantay lang natin yung mga kasama natin. Pag-desisyonan natin kung Sasama tayo. Nga pala, di ba syempre sabi sa inyo may lunch tayo sa day 2. Ito yung lunch namin.
Walang ano.
Hindi kami advertiser, talagang lunch namin to. Jollibee. Jollibee talaga. So yun, yung parang na tumatakbo sa isip ko na
Medyo sikat ako.
so yun, habang nandito tayo, may nagpipicture sa atin. Ngayon, sisikat. Mama, sisikat na ako.
Medyo sikat ako.
Ayun, natin pa natin yung bang natin mga kasama and we're just gonna wait for our bus para itungo tayo sa World Trade Center or kung pipiliin natin, pupunta tayo sa Coastal or sa Hunt for Humanity. Basta, it's either magpapa-feeding program tayo or
Magpapapit ka.
Hindi ako magpapa-feed, hindi ako feeder. Hindi ako feeder. So yun, nandito na. Antay lang natin yung iba nating mga kasama.
A few moments later.
So yun, nandito ako sa, we're actually walking na.
Obvious ba?
So yun, papunta na kami sa World Trade Center. Sasakay na kami ata ng bus. Sasakay ba tayo ng bus?
Airplane.
Yeah, airplane.
A few moments later.
So we're already here at World Trade Center. Sabi yun, kakarating lang namin sa World Trade Center and sobrang nahihilo na ako. So like, masusuka na ako. We're gonna meet with others so that makapunta tayo sa Hands for Humanity natin. So yun, hikin natin yung mga ibang tao dyan. Natapos na rin sa kanilang workshops. And yung mga, still may dumarating pa rin mga ibang buses from other workshops.
Later.
Sir, may free coke, sir? Dad, may free coke, sir? Free coke daw.
Ano ang sa inyo? Natamimi kayo.
So ayun, nandito na tayo. Nag-aantay na lang tayo ng bus with peeps. Hinantay lang natin yung ibang peeps natin para pumunta tayo sa Hands for Humanity. Sa mga hindi nakakalam ko na Hands for Humanity, it's a event, activity para sa amin sa Genfest na kung saan we're gonna help someone in something. Kaya wait lang, hintayin natin yung peeps natin. Kaya para maka-ready na rin. So, shoutout sa Coke. Thank you. Thank you sa Coke. Dahil sa inyo, di ako na uuhaw. So yun, antayin muna natin yung peeps.
A few moments later.
So guys, we are going now to the Buddhist temple. It's the Foshiongga or the Mabuhay temple here in the Philippines. Here we have so many companies out here to do them.
What?
Still are just gonna
Wow.
So we're going to Buddhist temple. We've chosen this temple. Actually, we are the only two that are going to Buddhist temple because it's gonna be. We're very curious about it. We're very curious about it. They're very curious. I am not curious, but I am interested because I am interested with. I am interested with the temple around here in the Philippines. What's the Buddhist temple here in the Philippines? So let's go check it out. So yun, we're actually at the inside of this Mabuhay Temple. Napakaganda naman ng temple natin dito. As we can see here, na para siyang historical site, like that. Yan. It's Siddhartha Gautama. Yeah, that's Siddhartha Gautama out there. We are in the Buddhist temple actually. Yan. Tingnan natin. Green hearts ba to? We're at yellow hearts pala. Kasi yellow hearts pala tayo.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Wait lang, naligaw tayo. Actually talaga, naligaw talaga tayo.
Tangang-tanga na ba kayo?
Mali yung napasukan natin. Yan, sige, kuha na tayo ng yellow ones.
A few moments later.
Yes. So yes, there's a conflict between here and the staff here because we are split into two actually. But I don't know if we're gonna meet again. Where's Christian by the way? So yan, medyo mano tayo. Medyo kalma lang tayo siguro. Ayan, medyo kalma lang tayo kumbaga. And napakaganda naman ng temple na to. Guys, we are finished already at the meditation. Napaka-meditate ko talaga. And so, actually, sinusundan na natin yung bagong group natin na yellow team. Kasi yellow talaga dapat ako. Titignan natin. Titignan natin kung saan tayo pupunta. Doon daw tayo pupunta sa exit line. Joke lang. Saan tayo pupunta? Let's go with the yellow. Sabi daw ni Kuya, 5th floor daw tayo. Let's go.
Eventually.
Yun, so we're actually finished here at Mabuhay Temple. Katapos lang natin ng ating workshop dito for Hands for Humanity. And we're gonna go to the World Trade Center for our for peace, like that. Ano masaya, boy? Is it fun? Is it fun? Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine, even though you don't dance. So yeah, we're gonna go to the World Trade Center for a while, but it's raining out. Yeah, it's why? What does it rain? You know? Oh, look at there.
I gotta get my drink. I forgot my drink.
This is a wishing pond. Yeah, yo, I'm gonna wish for a while.
15 minutes later.
So yun, katatapos ko lang mag-wish. I wish that there must be world peace around here. Unity above all, beyond all borders, and it's still raining out here. Oh my God, we're just gonna run like one, two, three, go.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Go. Oh shit, we're good.
Uy, bagsak!
I'm okay. Oh my God. That's so... Oh my God. Good thing that my phone didn't break. Yeah, I'm okay. Yes, part of the vlog.
What?
I'm starting to be crazy around here. So you're a vlogger now? Yeah, I'm a vlogger now. Yeah, we're gonna stand here right now sa ating sakit talaga nagdudulas. Sit down! You're the one who fell. I know, I don't know what to do. Yeah, since magano tayo, upo lang tayo. We're just gonna go right to the World Trade Center for our next activity.
Dalawang beses na yan!
Tuloy natin yung vlog. We're actually standing. Nakastand tayo sa ating conductor seat. We're having friends around there. Hindi ko alam. We're gonna go right into the World Trade Center for our next activity. It's gonna be 5:45 in the afternoon. Meron pa kami yung time para magpahinga. At magpahinga yung puwet ko sa grabe. What the fuck happened to me? What the fuck? Actually, hindi ko in-expect na madudulas ako doon. Grabe talaga. Napakamalas ko sa temple na yun. Sabi ni Buddha, kailangan mo madulas para sumikat kumbaga.
Huwag mong subukan.
So yan, papalit tayo sa World Trade Center.
sa World Trade Center inside of the halls A, B, C, and D. We are currently here at the World Trade Center para sa ating gaganapin na activity for the day. And don't know why. Nice pleasure for us since napakaganda pa rin talaga naman ang ating World Trade Center. Oy! Shout out sa'yo, ba't mo ako iniwan? Sorry. Ulul.
Wag. Wag.
Wag.
Wag. Wag.
Wag.
Ulul. Let's go and have some fun with the Siyempre kailangan natin maka-explore ng mga panibagong mga tao, panibagong mga kaibigan, panibagong mga personalities, differences, and also bondings with us.
I don't feel any pressure right now.
Try natin makipagpa-picture sa nag-banner. Sumimasen! 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 Take a picture of you holding the flag of Japan. 1, 2, 3. Arigato. Thank you. Let's go. For you. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Huwag mong subukan.
Boom. So high. Nag-take over here at
World Trade Center.
World Trade Center for celebrating the Genfest.
Alam mo, hindi yan pangit na pangit yan. Ito maganda. Wait lang. Yo, what's up, Cover? So we're now going to take our dinner because we're gonna have some fun in the international concert, right? Mamaya. Yeah, mamaya. Excited ako kasi since sana meron mag-perform na banda ng Japanese because kakain lang muna tayo sandali. Ikot-ikot tayo. Ayun, kakain muna tayo. Kakain muna ako sandali kasi gutom na siya.
What?
Ikot-ikot tayo. So yun, mamaya, babalik ako in 3, 2, 1.
Eventually.
We're tempted by the easier way, 'cause we don't wanna suffer if we fail. Although the road we choose, it might be tough, we already know that easy's not enough. To live our convictions, we have to work it out. Our community is where the strength is found. This is our decision, we don't wanna build walls. Let love open our hearts and welcome all to go beyond the borders. We've to free ourselves from fear and all the limits we might set ourselves. To go beyond the borders is a goal we can reach. The goodness in each other is all we need to see. We go beyond the borders. Da 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 na 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 na. We go beyond the borders.
yun, tapos na rin ang ating part 2 ng ating Genfest 2018. At sana naman magustuhan niyo yung aking pagkaano doon. Na biglang naging Nihongo student tayo dyan. At kung ano-ano pa yung mga pinaggagawa nating kagaguhan. At so yun guys, hope you liked this video. Click the like button kung gusto nyo pa. Comment nyo yung next nating gagawin sa mga susunod pang mga vlogs natin after ng Genfest 3 part. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ring the bell para naman ma-notify kayo kung magpo-post ako bigla, di ba? So yun guys, maraming salamat sa inyo and this is Luatonton signing out. Sa World Trade Center, sasakay na kami ata ng bus. Sasakay ba tayo ng bus?
Airplane.
Yeah. Airplane, ha?
Okay, airplane ka.
What airplane?